Hello beautiful, this is Kira Secret Skincare. You're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome. Thank you to all my amazing subscribers. But guys, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Subscription is free. Also follow me on my Instagram page at Kira Secret Skincare. Also follow us on our new logistic page at Kira Secret Logistics. There we ship worldwide through DHL and through cargo. We generate tracking number for you to track your goods. 3 to 5 working days, your goods will get to you at your doorstep. We are the number one, the champion. Okay. Also, you can shop on my website at www.kirasecretskincare1.com. Our skincare product is there: our instant white, our porcelain, our half cast, our snow white, our Arabian. My own skincare product is on the website, guys. Also, we sell original over-the-counter product is on the website. And you always asking me, Mommy Kira, how much is this, how much is that? Just go to the website and shop. If you don't know how to shop on the website, send me a message on WhatsApp. I'll send you a short video on how you can shop on the website properly. Guys, go and shop there because we sell original product. Okay, I love you guys so much. Guys, today I'll be making this amazing sunscreen sunscreen sunblock cream for a client. She said, Mommy Kira, can you please produce 1 kg for me? I want to rebrand and sell to my customer. You know, guys, we're entering summer, okay, and you need sunscreen, a very effective one, a broad spectrum from that matter. Okay, what we're producing SPF 60 plus, very very suitable for the skin, leaving no white cars. Guys, if you want me to produce for you, please chat me up on WhatsApp. Let me produce for you. Repackage and start selling for your customer. Okay, then you just rebrand it. Just chat Mommy Kira, tell me what you want, I'll produce for you. Okay guys, please like this video because I want to start formulating right now so that you can see the way I'll formulate. I love you guys. Just stay around and watch this amazing video, how to make sunscreen sunblock face and body cream. Okay, SPF 60 plus. Hello, beautiful. This is Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. This product is very effective, guys. Now is in 125 ml bottle. This product is super effective. It's super strong. If you're producing for your customer and your customer that are complaining that the product is not working, the product you are producing for them is not working, worry no more. Go and get Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. This product is very effective. You can't put it directly on your skin. You have to use it to produce, mix with your production for your customer to come back. It's super active and very, very effective. Okay, if you want to partner, okay, they need more distributor all over the world, in France, USA, Canada, Mexico, Europe, Germany, Switzerland, okay, Ghana, Togo, Mali, Gabon, okay, everywhere. Please, if you are interested, chat us up, okay, chat the number up on the screen and let's do business together. They're going to put your number on the screen, okay, so that anybody that wants to buy in your city will contact you directly. Hurry up, because this product is the number one, the champion. It's very, very effective. You can also buy in gallon. People that are promising, big promisers, okay, you can buy in gallon from 500 ml, from 1 liter, for 2.5, 5 liters, 10 liters. Those are for big producer. But if you want to be selling in bottles, it's not available in 125.